today it is a gorgeous day. So hello again everybody, and what we're going to do today is just going to a little park that's in Perth. We're actually smack in, hang on, at the pavement, we're smack in the middle of Perth, and we are at Riverside Park in Perth, which also includes the heather gardens in the heather collection. There's a national collection here for heather, and also a place called Rodney Gardens. So Riverside Park was created from 3 park areas. Okay, Rodney Gardens, Bellwood, Riverside Park, 1970 to 1990, and Norrie Miller Park. We are here. Always good to know where we are in life.
I see the big red arrow that we are here.
Yeah. Where's that big red arrow? No. Hope, have you got the big red arrow? Have you? It's part of the heather collection. I've been talking to a really nice chap from beautiful Perth, and he says that he's a volunteer and they are part of lots of groups that look after the gardens, and it's stunning the work they're doing. So this sculpture is in the park here, and they say you look through it and it creates the exact frame of another famous painting. But look at the view from up here generally across Perth. It's just stunning. So this is called Millay's Viewpoint and went up in 1997. Now I'm going to try and be really clever, because they say that this is the exact place. If you look through, there's an exact painting. So at some point now I'm going to be really clever and go pa-ching and find it, and you'll see it on the screen. So do we think the original painting had Steve and Hope in it? You never know. Who have we got in the middle of the painting frame? Apparently there's something happening in the middle of the painting frame. Hey, it's a Hope. There we go. There's a Hopey in the painting. Hey, Hope. Are you in the painting, Hope? Beautiful. Look at this. I wonder what this is from. Gorgeous. Could sit up there. Wherever we walk, we're just surrounded by heather. Absolutely surrounded by it. Yeah, that's a really nice.
Getting ready for some competition, I believe.
Oh, really?
Yeah, something. They did tell me, but it's gone now. So sometime in April it gets judged, but they don't know when apparently.
Right,
I've only been here for about 2
It's not us.
It's not us. I promise you, it's not us.
They said they drop
We're
it
not
in
secret,
apparently in and
Oh.
out, and then they tell them like the day before when the proper thing is.
Oh, crikey. Nerve-wracking then.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
This is the ford where you can walk over to the little island in the middle. It looks quite fierce today, but there's a couple of lads doing stone throwing, and one of them is really good. Always stunning colours, because it's just about coming into spring. Wow. Beautiful. I could sit here. For a few hours. I think this is when we're going to come and have our sandwiches. I think I've found the sandwich spot.
I think so, yeah.
What do you reckon? Found the sandwich spot? I think we found ourselves sandwich shop. Found this little place in the garden, Compassionate Friends Garden. Isn't this stunning? So pretty. So pretty. So this tree seems was planted, it's a rowan tree, in 2017. And people can come along and put things on for those they've lost. Oh, that's so nice. If we had a little bit of ribbon, we'd put something up for Wonky. Or you can put anything up. We'll find something. This looks like a wishing well.
It's a bin.
It's a bin! Wow. Have to say, Bin of the Year award.
Bin of the Year award.
Bin of the
Winner.
Year. Definitely a winner. This is an interesting one for us. a tulip tree. Now, white tulips are our flowers. I will pop up some pictures of what it looks like when it's all in full bloom. But this is a tulip tree. Good luck, Perth, in the competition that you've got coming up this month for the gardens. We're not sure what the competition is, but seeing the heather here and the work and the kindness, the love that's been put into everything that we've seen here today, you really, really deserve to win. And we will be keeping a lookout online to see what the result. Hope, should it win? Yes. So we're just walking up to the entrance of Rodney Gardens, and apart from the fact that we're here because it's nice and it's in the centre of Perth to explore, it's the first time with my dad, so that will tickle him. Can I have a look at this?
No, that very nice shrub is like the one you've been cutting down in our garden.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
This is nice.
but it's a more controlled.
Can I see this flower? Look. I like that. Seem to be in the centre of Rodney Gardens. I'll take you up to the side. Because I was saying my dad's name is Rodney, but it's a small little place in the middle of Perth, like one of these urban gardens. It seems to have been here for a very long time. So, what do you think of it all then?
Lovely.
So, what do you think of the box hedge over there?
Needs a trim.
Okay.
One man to do it.
So you take on the job of
Trimming the box hedge.
trimming the box hedge man. Should we put it forward to Perth Council?
Yep.
Steve's going to have a wander round and we're going to have lunch in here because this is just as nice and just as lovely. Look at it. So we're right in the middle of the city centre here, overlooking the water. There's a main road next to us, but this is gorgeous. Absolutely love it here. Wow. Steve was saying that there's some tulips out over there already, which to us feels very early, but I suppose it's beginning of April and we are that little bit more south from home.
And some brunaria.
Some brunaria. What's brunaria?
Blue ones.
Ah, the blue ones.
Hope, where are we? Hope, where are we? Where are we? Hope.
We're at Brandywod Gardens.
Brandywod Garden.
Brandywod Gardens. Right.
We are in Snedrag. Yendor.
See how close the gardens are to the main road? Wow, look at that. Right on a very, very busy, and then you turn around and you've got the beginning of the most stunning gardens. Anybody who lives in any kind of town or city, go and find some green spaces because there are loads out there. It's a wonderful place to go and find just a green space. Just looking at the piece of sculpture here, it's called Evergreen, a tribute to the folk work and place of Sir Patrick Geddes, 1854 to 1932. So there's a fleur-de-lis, an elephant because he went to India, there's 3 doves for sympathy, synergy, synthesis. And it's really lovely. Lots of symbols, lots of symbolic meaning to it all. The life of being a Hopi, eh? The life of being a Hopi. Sandwich time! Sandwich time, Hope. Wandering back to the car now. Pick up the sandwiches. Beautiful, beautiful place. We will be coming back here again. Why? For no reason whatsoever. Do we need a reason to come here? No, we don't. That'll do. £5 at 9 to 4. That'll do. So just had a winner. That's good, wasn't it? See if we can win the next one.
Because it was Etalon, which was no lake backwards.
Yeah.
So we picked another one each way this time, 20 to 1.
2.5 miles this one. This is a long way around. We've got number 1, Jumping Susie. Nice. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Cameron's joined the filming crew. Official, unofficial.
4th.
They're not paying to 4 places, are they? Nearly.
We're at the theatre tonight.
We're at the theatre
tonight. We are at Perth Theatre, which is where we came to see the pantomime at Christmas. So yes, we did. And the reason we are here, and I'm so excited, we are here to see the musical Restless Natives. It's the first preview night. It doesn't even launch for another 2 nights. But as you'll probably know, I am a massive big country fan. So had to get when we were at the concert here in November. If you look back on our video on that, you will see that they announced it when we were here in November. So we're here for that, aren't we?
Yep. Right.
Yeah, of course. Do you want it this way around?
Yeah, please. I'm going to buy one of these so I can pop it on it because I'm a massive big country fan. Can't tell you how excited I am. Thank you. Have you sold lots of t-shirts then today?
We have, yeah. We've already sold quite a few.
Excellent. I've got loads of joke stuff as well,
Yeah.
which I think is really cool.
And we've got a big display case coming tomorrow.
Have you?
Time for press now.
Excellent.
Restless Natives will commence in 10 minutes. If you'd like to make your way to the auditorium and to your seats.
It's got that, but obviously on the back. It certainly do. It certainly do.
Absolutely.
Half-time interval at the performance of Restless Natives, and it is absolutely wonderful. I'm desperately trying not to sing along with the lyrics of In a Bone Country, and to hear them using the original soundtrack from the film and then weaving in new songs is just great. So happy. I was really hoping they were going to use the line, "Do you believe in ghosts?" from the soundtrack itself. So yeah, halfway through, enjoying every single second.
Hold up, buses! In a big country, dreams stay with you like a lover's voice fires the mountainside. Stay alive, stay alive.
Instant review.
Fantastic. If that was the preview,
Yeah,
I don't think they can get any better.
I don't think you can get any better. That was really good, wasn't it?
Really good. The best line is, have you got any false tits?
Do you believe in ghosts? They used it.
Brilliant.
Back to the
Fantastic.
caravan.
Back to the caravan.
Yes,
Right,
let's go.
walk the hills.
Don't try telling us we're small, don't try telling us we're